Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you this heat press machine with Bluetooth compatibility. I was sent this item to test it out and share my experience about it. So let's get it all opened up. We're gonna try it out and I'll show you what it looks like. In this package, we have several different pieces. We have our heat press machine. There is also an insulated base, a storage cloth bag. We also have some transfer papers as well as the detailed user instruction manual. The actual size of this heat press is 7 inches by 5 inches, which makes it very convenient and easy to use because it is small and portable. It can even fit in a backpack or even a suitcase to be able to take around wherever we go. I love how easy it is to use this machine. Plus, the Bluetooth technology is a huge game changer. I can activate this heat press machine through the mobile app, which allows me to select what material, temperature, or time that I want to use right from the convenience of my phone. This heat press is made of flame retardant ABS and PA materials, and it is resistant to heat, which helps protect during the time that we are using it. Plus, it also has an automatic shut-off feature that activates after 10 minutes of not using it, which makes it not only safe, but also saves energy as well. Plus, the safety base that comes with it helps prevent the heating plate from scratching any of our surfaces. This small heat press is able to heat up within just a short period of time of about 1 to 2 minutes because of the ceramic coated heating plate that gives us quick and even heating when we want to use it. It can even reach all the way up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit in just 5 minutes of heating it up. This heat press has a large temperature range from 105 all the way up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And we also have a time range of 0 all the way up to 600 seconds that we can choose from depending on our needs. The user-friendly interface makes it so convenient and a huge time saver compared to some of the other traditional heat press options out there. This heat press machine can also be used with all kinds of different materials. It works great with sublimation transfers, all kinds of HTV like glitter, foil, holographic, mosaic, fusible fabric, as well as infusible ink paper. This gives me a unique opportunity to be able to create all kinds of designs and put it on t-shirts, bags, hats, mouse pads, phone cases, and others. Plus, it comes in a beautiful gift box, which makes it great for gift giving for birthdays, Christmas, or other special occasions. If you are in the market for a unique gift idea for craft lovers in your life, or even for yourself, you won't want to miss out on this.